It's not a surprise. I mean, a lot of us African people, especially Nigerians, we worship Europeans, we worship the Chinese, every other group of people around the world. We look up to them like they are gods. And I understand some of you are going to be upset with me for talking this way. I'll just put it this way. If the shoe fits, then wear it. So if what I'm saying doesn't pertain to you, then just keep it moving. So we had a Dutch woman. She was riding through Nigeria and she was extorted by some police officers. She has a great YouTube channel, by the way, itchyboots. And the video went viral. Check it out.
How are you?
Hello.
Hello?
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
From where?
Netherlands.
Eh?
Netherlands.
Now you the come? What do you bring up? See that? Eh? Oh, you video. Where they go?
Abuja.
Abuja?
See.
What you Abuja didn't know.
How are you?
Give me something
How
else.
is for everything?
Everything is fine.
Family.
Huh?
How is family?
Good.
Family is good.
This water.
Give me more.
Wait till you bring come.
Huh?
Wait till you bring come. I say wait till you bring come.
What you want give me? Hey, wait till now, what you want give me? Oh yeah, give me something. Oh yeah, give me something now. Give me something.
You give me something.
Give me money. Money. Money.
Money. Why?
Give me.
Why?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Listen, this is a normal interaction between regular so-called Nigerian people and the police on a day-to-day basis. And for the most part, the police will be extremely aggressive. The only reason they weren't aggressive to that lady is because she's European. And like I said, a lot of Nigerians worship people from that part of the world. So they would be aggressive to Nigerians, beat you up, throw you in jail. Sometimes they might even do the worst, unalive you. Okay, it's just normal. It has always been that way. But there is so much hypocrisy surrounding this story because, number one, you pay a lot of these police officers chicken change. I'm talking about the government now. Okay, you pay these guys crumbs monthly, and you give them machine guns, AK-47s. So what do you expect? You just do the math. You have a country that is lawless. You pay the police officers scrap, you give them machine guns, and you think they're not going to rob the people? So they rob Nigerians on a day-to-day basis and nothing has been done about it. Nigerians took to the streets to protest against NSARS. It ended in nothing.
Kí ló ṣe ṣíṣe báyìí? Ó sòyọ ọ̀rọ̀. Ó sòyọ
You can just imagine these are the people that are in charge of your life, of your security. I'm talking about drunk individuals in police uniforms that fight each other on the roads after consuming tons of alcohol. They have an AK-47 that they use as a weapon to separate two fighting police officers. That's how ridiculous the Nigerian police force is, and that extends to the entire Nigeria. Okay, 99.9% of the institutions in Nigeria have similar patterns of existing, right? So the Nigerian police came out and was talking about they have arrested the constabularies caught in the viral video, blah 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 blah, because those guys were extorting someone. I mean, these guys are pure hypocrites, man. This Nigerian police force, it's a joke. They are liars, they are fraudsters. I call them the first terror group in Nigeria. That's what the police is, because their job is to terrorize the Nigerian people. The second terror group is the Nigerian military, okay? Because their job, their primary responsibility is to terrorize you. But most importantly, the reason why we have this situation playing out the way it is because the Nigerian police, they, like I said earlier, they get paid crumbs. Their living conditions is dire for the most part. This is an example of a police barracks. You see what it looks like? It looks like a building that has just been shelled with missiles. It looks, listen, this police building looks like, you know, the war that is going on in Gaza, right? It looks like a building that the Israeli defense people just shelled with missiles. That's where police officers live. This is where they raise their family members. They get paid 50,000 naira, rough equivalent of $50 a month. Okay, so the police officers are also victims of the country, right? Just like everybody else. And then these same police officers are given guns to operate freely on the roads with the citizens in a lawless society. And that's why many of these guys, they commit crimes, they rob the people, extortion, they kill citizens, and nobody goes to jail because, like I said, it's a lawless society. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section. The entire system have to be overhauled. That is the solution. If you've been following the African Wahala for a while, you will know that the ultimate solution is to scrap the entire Nigeria.